Hello and welcome to SkillWeb. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to split a clip in Premiere Pro. So let's begin the video. I'd first select the clip or drag your video clip onto the timeline if it's not already there. Now place the playhead, the blue line, exactly where you want to cut the clip. Now you can use the razor tool to cut the clip. Go to the toolbar and select the razor tool. Or you can use the shortcut key. It will be much easier. Press C on your keyboard. And now click on the clip where the playhead is. And the clip will split into two separate pieces. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.